Meron sigurong ibang tao na hindi familiar sa Coles Bridges. Typhoon Odette tumama dito sa Siargao na una silang nakaresponde. So una rin nilang nakilala na hindi lang dito sa San Fernando may project ang COR, kundi sa ibang island barangays. Sa Malao at sa Madali, dating po ang panahon na ang COR ay makilala pa ng.
When Coles Overridges came to the Philippines, they researched, they talked to key stakeholders to identify which areas they can be more effective in. I really want to see these communities, especially the ones in the rural communities, to have the same experience and be able to enjoy the same education that I've had when I was younger.
Challenge kasi dito sa mga estudyante is yung paghatid sundo tuwing papasok at tuwing uwi, since isa kaming islang barangay. So doon pa lang, dahil sa ating boat bus, na-address na yung issue. Di na sila kailangan magmamadali pag uwi dahil merong school boat bus na nag-aantay sa kanila pabalik. So
in the Coles Bridges, it is offered every day in the entire school year. For the kids, they are now knowledgeable as to what food groups this belongs, and then what nutritious, what vitamins that they can get out from the food that being served. The biggest success that I can consider is that the nutritional status is increasing. Blessed that San Mateo Elementary School is one of the recipients of the Coles Bridges program. Napakalaking tulong daw sa kanila.
Choose ang literacy program, mas need siya sa mga bata kuman kay tungod sa amo kibali sa amo learners na joy gajud dili makabasa pa sa low lang level sa reading, joy mga frustration kuman kibali mas ang mga bata makita nimo na very excited sila mukari diri sa library tungod kay they love to read the books. Excited kami tanan na makagamit na sa library.
We are really seeing a lot of magical things that are happening already in the communities that we are working with. And it is possible because of the collaborative effort, most especially that we are honing or developing a future.
We have a lot of complex, sad, and frustrating problems right now. And I don't think there's no one organization that can solve it. And in that seeming frustrating and daunting situation, there's hope and light in meeting people who share the same advocacy and vision.
That's our really indications. It's also yielding nice results.
They're really immersed to the community. Their engagement, I think they're touching really directly the lives of the students.
Since the inception of our programs, we have tapped on a lot of partners. I must say that most of the successes that we currently have is not just because of the team, but definitely because of these partners. Ultimately, my hope is in the future, Coles Bridges will not be here anymore because of these communities. Through our efforts right now, through the model that we are doing right now, will be able to stand on their own, to sustain their own programs, and to sustain the education of the children and be celebrated by the entire community.
Di sarapin, di kutsilyo, di almacen, how, di